We acquired this 1970s model Class C Vanguard motorhome a while back, and although for being 40 plus years old, it was well kept. She runs great, but it was dated and dusty from being unused for quite some time. The dark paneling and faux wood made it seem small and claustrophobic. The upholstery was dusty and rough and not very inviting, and the harvest yellow carpet, worn and, well, just kind of gross. It was just in general not a pleasant space anymore. So together, my husband and I have set out to change that and give her a new life again. We painted her white, replaced the carpet with light gray laminate, covered the blinds with a solid color microfiber, and reupholstered all the cushions at the table and the top bunk. I found all this beautiful Navajo print fabric and matching arrow decor at a garage sale down the road, and then added a little chevron curtain on the front top window and put new seat covers on the bucket seats up front. I still want to add a bit more to it, and we have plans to paint the exterior, but all in time because the weather is beautiful, so we're going to enjoy some camping.